I am more than just a boat. I am a legacy. For nearly 140 years, I have been driven by design, innovation, and performance. My heritage runs deep. My passion for the open sea knows no bounds. I have carried adventurers to the furthest reaches of the world, braving the elements, conquering the unknown. I have witnessed moments of joy, love, and triumph. I am not just a vessel. I am a partner in life, a dedicated companion, engineered for the pursuit of dreams and aspirations. Embark on a remarkable journey that will change your life forever. Discover the joy of sailing and the thrill of adventure as we conquer the sea and create memories that will last a lifetime. BENETEAU.